Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got TUX snow stopping the hashtag nail mail in BM36. It's the purple Crackle. So I've started off with IMK Peeleze as my base coat, and this is TUX polish, and this is snow stopping the hashtag nail mail. I don't know who names these things. Kind of a cute name. The pretty glitters in the bottle really didn't show up on my nail though, so we're going to go in, do our first coat, get some polish down on these nails, and it's kind of got one of those thick, kind of with so much stuff in it, goopy kind of polish. I know some of you might know what I'm talking about. It is level out, it does go on. I did get it on in 2 coats, and was pretty happy with, that part of it. But I was really disappointed that those, glitters didn't just pop on the nail. So here we go. We're going to go in with our second coat. Now I can see like chunks of stuff, but they don't look like glitters. They just look like, like spitballs or something. I don't know. It's my spitball manicure here. So there we go, 2 coats, and we're going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I don't know, you know how sometimes you see something in the bottle, and then when you get it on your nail, it's absolutely nothing like what it looked like in the bottle. That's what this one did for me. I'm going to cap our free edge here. Get this to dry down. There's a Swatch Photo all by itself. This is a really old Bundle Monster Crackle polish. Number 36, no name, just purple. And we're just going to put this on all of the nails. Now, this doesn't technically, I guess, count as nail art or anything, but, the girl was in the mood for some Crackle. I don't know who I'd been talking to in the comments, either here or on Instagram, and just talking about Crackle. Some of us love it, and I know there are people out there that do not like this look, but I was in the mood. So, that's what we did. And part of the problem with this manicure was just that I wasn't real crazy about the base color not being the way it looked in the bottle. And then I didn't get that bling that I wanted. So I'm going to top it with the Jealous by American Classics. It's kind of like a glitter food or a chunky, lumpy, bumpy food top coat for your polish doings. I'm going to put a good thick coat of that on each nail and then finish it off with my quick dry top coat. A thick, glossy, quick dry. Because with the base being lumpy dumpy and then the Crackle, we had some like seriously uneven nails. And I like a smooth nail. I don't want anything like sticking up and getting stuck to anything, But, in the end, like I'm looking at this little pinky, and it looks cute. So in the end, I liked it. We are going to use the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls today and cover this one up. And I did enjoy this. I did enjoy wearing it. And I tried to think of something else to do to it, but I just thought anything else would just be overload. So I left it. Hi, Woody. How you doing? This is good. Kind of looks like ripped jeans or something, or I don't know, almost plaid a little bit in some spots. It's kind of funny, but there we go. We got some polish on the nails, and to me that's the goal. I want to have something on my nails to protect them. Capping that little free edge there, and I am going to do a little bit of polish in motion. Oh, Woody's back. Hi, Woody. There he is. Busy, busy. So here's that polish in motion. You can see it looks lighter purple in some areas, and that's just kind of a funny look. I liked it, though. And there's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.